Guys, so today I went to a store and found 12 of these, 12 out of 15, not bad. Let's see what we got today. A lot of stuff, really happy. We are looking for something, just expensive cars. We have eBay store, so everything is expensive. It's good because we will sell it. Let's see the first one. And nothing, not just 1-star card. Okay. So if I'm not mistaken, in this box we should get at least 1 star. So let's see if it's true or not. I heard something like that. Not sure, to be honest. This is 2 star. Yeah. So 1 star, 2 stars. Let's see if this continues. Star. Even now it feels like it's true. Feels like, of course, 2 star it will sell better for sure. But you know, still 1 star, not that bad. If you got lucky, of course. So I already talked with the shop owner and asked if he can provide me another this thing of 15 packs. Avi. Yeah. And he said yes, of course. Just need to come tomorrow in the afternoon. Sounds quick. Yep. Sounds kinda quick, to be honest. But yeah. On the same shop, I found out $90 cars. So I know the guy doesn't do any sketchy stuff, because I told you I found something really good. That's something really important, because I went to another store which have good prices, but I think I bought like a resealed pack. But there's a difference. This store is not like one store. That store is specialized store. So yeah, we should see then worse, to be honest. Okay, so this is the last pack. So given that nothing, I guess that's to be expected, but still, you know,